Integrating Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup is a crucial step in understanding your website's performance and making data-driven decisions. To start, you need to create a Google Analytics account and set up a property for your website. First, go to the Google Analytics website and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, create one and then sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the Sign Up button and fill out the required information, including your website's name, URL, and industry category. Next, you will receive a unique tracking ID, which is used to identify your website in Google Analytics. This tracking ID is in the format of UAXXXXXX, where the X's are numbers. You will use this tracking ID to set up the analytics code on your website. To set up the analytics code, you need to add a small JavaScript code to every page of your website. This code is provided by Google Analytics and can be found in the admin section of your Analytics account. You can copy and paste this code into the header or footer of your website's pages, depending on your website's design and structure. Once you have set up the analytics code, you need to set up goals and events to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or button clicks. Goals are used to track conversions, such as when a user completes a purchase or fills out a contact form. Events are used to track specific actions, such as when a user clicks on a button or watches a video. To set up goals, go to the admin section of your Analytics account and click on Goals. Then, click on the New Goal button and fill out the required information, including the goal name and type. You can choose from several goal types, including destination, event, and duration. To set up events, go to the admin section of your Analytics account and click on Events. Then, click on the New Event button and fill out the required information, including the event name and category. In addition to setting up goals and events, you should also set up e-commerce tracking if you have an online store. E-commerce tracking allows you to track transactions and revenue, and provides detailed insights into your online store's performance. To set up e-commerce tracking, go to the admin section of your Analytics account and click on E-commerce Settings. Then, click on the Enable e-commerce button and fill out the required information, including your online store's currency and tax rate. Finally, you should verify your website's ownership to ensure that your analytics data is accurate and secure. To verify your website's ownership, go to the admin section of your Analytics account and click on Property Settings. Then, click on the Verify button and follow the instructions to verify your website's ownership. By following these steps, you can integrate Google Analytics Universal Analytics Setup and start tracking your website's performance and making data-driven decisions. Remember to set up goals and events to track specific actions on your website, and to set up e-commerce tracking if you have an online store.